Meet Tina Haupert, certified nutrition coach, functional diagnostic nutrition practitioner, and the powerhouse behind Carrots and Cake. What started back in 2008 as a personal blog to help her get wedding ready has grown into a full-blown wellness movement. Tina and her team use functional testing and a personalized approach to help women feel strong, confident, and balanced. Now, through one-on-one coaching, hormone testing, and group programs, Tina's helping thousands of women ditch the all-or-nothing mindset and finally feel in control of their health.
When I started this program about 4 months ago, I honestly thought it was more just a strength training, and we would be given some nutrition guidance. And while both of those things are true, we are given a strength training program and nutrition guidance. It's so much more than that. I have found this amazing community of women.
It's just amazing. The support of the community, and Tina is always there to answer any questions you have.
We're all on similar stages in our journeys, in our health and fitness journeys. It really makes a difference having people going through this with you.
All of the things that she talked about, from minerals to meal prep, macros, to tracking food, strength training, mindset, to how to work out. You don't have to kill yourself.
I think my favorite part of this program is that we're learning how to fuel our body for the rest of our lives.
At Carrots and Cake, we have helped thousands of women lose weight, reclaim their energy, and live their best lives. We would love to help you too. So if you are interested in learning more about our programs and how you can work with our team, please visit our website at carrotsandcake.com or send me a message on Instagram.